Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy. Okay? No? You all are happy at home? Yes. So now, you know today which subject? Which subject is grammar. Today we will learn grammar. In grammar last lecture we have learned lesson 8. It was a new lesson, no? One and many. But today we will do worksheet of that lesson. I will send you PDF of lesson 8 and you all have done textbook exercise also. So today, now we will do more about one and many. Today we will do worksheet. Okay children? What we will do today? Worksheet. Yes? Okay. See. Today we will revise one and many. We'll do revision of one and many. Understood children? And that also we will do in worksheet. Yes, we will do many exercise so that you will be able to understand what is one and what is many. Are you ready for this? Okay children? Yes. So now what you have to do? See now. Look at the pictures and read the words. See, understand first. Look at the pictures and read the words. First what you have to do? Look at the pictures. See, there are pictures given here. And then you read the words. Okay children? See here there is a picture. Do you know what is this? Car. See here there is written car. It is only one car. So, C-A-R, car. It is one. So, car. C-A-R. Understood? This is car, no? It is only one car. So, C-A-R, car. Now see your next picture. There are two cars. Yes. There are two cars. Can you see this? There is not one car. There are two cars. So what we will speak? Cars. C-A-R-S. We will add S. Understood? This is more than one. More than one means many. There are two cars. There is not one car. One car is here. So car. Then more than one is cars. C-A-R-S. See here the difference. Car, cars. Car, cars. Okay children? See here there is one car. So car. There are two cars. So cars. S is there. We have added S to this word to show many. Understood children? Now see next one. One, many. Okay. There is only one boy. This we have done in last lecture also, grammar. Yes, one boy. See here B-O-Y. There is one boy. So boy. There are many boys. More than one. That is many. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 boys are there. So there are many boys. So what will come? B-O-Y-S. Boys. Boy. Boys. Boy. Boys. If one boy, then B-O-Y. Many boy. Boys. Okay children? Have you understood this? Yes. Boy. Boys. One boy. And many boys. We are adding S to this word B-O-Y and B-O-Y-S. Understood? Very good. So now see here. One, many. One kite. Only one kite. K-I-T. See the spelling. There is picture of one kite. The spelling is K-I-T-E. Kite. And here there are many, more than one. So what will be the many word? K-I-T-E. E-S. We are adding S. Kite, kites. Kite, kites. Understood this? One kite. Many kites. One kite. Many kites. Kite, kites. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E-S, kites. Understood? When you are having only one kite, no, then you will say, I have a kite. But if you have many kites, see, there are many kites. If you are having more than one, so you will speak, I have kites. K-I-T-E-S. Which spelling will come? Kites. Understood? K-I-T-E-S. Kites. S is added here. Kite, kites. Okay, children? Yes, you are understanding, no? Okay then. Now see this picture. What is this? Last lecture also I showed you this picture. It is a pen. Blue color pen. And see here, there are many, means more than 2 pens. 2 pen is there. One is black, other is red. Red color pen. So if there is one pen, we will tell pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. If there are more than one, there are 2 pen. So what we will tell? Pens. P-E-N-S. Pens. Pen. Pens. Pen. Pens. Understood, children? See? The spelling is same only. P-E-N. P-E-N. But in many, you have to add S. Pens. Pen. Pens. Pen. Pens. See the picture? One, many. Pen. Pens. You have to see the picture and then answer. Okay, children? Yes. Now you all are knowing this, no? Pen, pens. We have learned it. Now see. Book. There is only one book. So it is B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. And here see many. How many? This 1, 2, 3, 4 different color books. So that is books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. There are many books. Okay, children? So, many books. Book. Books. Book. Books. S is added. Okay? S. See here. B-O-O-K. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Okay? Book. Books. Understood, children? See again. One book. So it is B-O-O-K. Now many books. See, there are many books. Colors are also different. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow color, red, blue and green. 4 books are there. So what we will use? Books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Book. Books. Book. Books. Okay, children? One book. Many books. Book. Books. S is added here. Can you see this S? See, I am showing you. S. Very good. Now you all have learned one many, no? So now we will do some exercise. See, simple. It is very, very easy. You all know this. What is written here? Add S to show many. See here, S is given in red color. Okay. See, the words are given here. What you have to do? You have to add S to show many. Add S to show many. Now see number 1. It is spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Spoon. What you have to do in spoon? You have to add S. Do you know this? Okay. You all are answer. Come on, you know this. All answer me. What will be the spelling here? Can you guess? See, S-P-O-O-N. Now you have to add S. It is very, very easy. Add S. Yes, what you have to do? Add S to show many, to show many. This is only one spoon. But if there are many spoons, then what will become? S-P-O-O-N, and here you have to add S. Okay? See, I have done. Spoons. Can you see the difference between these two? This is one spoon. So here it is spoons. S-P-O-O-N-S. Spoons. Spoon. Spoons. Now number 2. See number 2. It is kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Okay, children? Kite. So, you have to add S. Can you do this? Come on, speak up the word kite. K-I-T-E. What will become here? Many. How we will write many kites? See, there is one kite only. Here you have to write kites. For writing kites, we have to write the same spelling. But at the end, we have to use S. See, red color S is given. Here you have to add S. Do you know the spelling? Yes. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. See, I will show you. Yes, see here. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Kite. Kites. Kite. Kites. Okay, children? See here number 1 how it is written. First you understand these two. 1 and 2 words. See? One many. Spoon. Spoons. Kite. Kites. S is added in both these words to show many. Now attempt number 3. Yes. Now say the spelling of this. What is this? S-T-A-R. Do you know what spelling is this? Yes. Many of them are answering. Star. This is star. S-T-A-R. Star. It is only one star. But I want to show many. So what I will to do? To show many, I have to add S. No? You all know the answer. Yes. So I will add S here. So how it become? This red color S. So what is the word here? S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Stars. See, I will show you. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Star. Stars. Okay, children, see your S is done. We are only adding S to show many. Understood? Star means only one star. Stars mean there are many stars. More than one star. Okay, children? Now see number 4. Flower. There is only one flower. But I want to show many flowers. What I have to add here? Yes, you all know the answer. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Understood what I have to add? S. So, spelling is flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Many flowers. Flower. Flowers. Many flowers. Flower, flowers. Now number 5. See your number 5. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. You are having fan at home, no? Yes. But if there is only one fan, then a fan, fan. But if we want to show many fans, then what I will write here? What the word will come? Can you answer? See, here only it is given, you have to add S. So the word will be fans. F-A-N, fan. F-N-S, fans. These are many fans. Fan, fans. See, now we will read all these words. Okay. This spoon, one spoon. Spoons, many spoons. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T-E-S, kites. Number 3 is star. S-T-A-R, star. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Number 4 is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, many flowers. Fan, number 5, fan. Fans. F-A-N-S, fans. Fan, fans. Understood? One, many. Spoon, spoons. Kite, kites. Star, stars. Flower, flowers. Fan, fans. Okay, children? Now you have to do. See here again. Add S to show many. Here also you have to add S. Okay, children? See number 1. It is pin. P-I-N, pin. Yes. What is pin? You have seen the pin, no? That pin. P-I-N, pin. So this is only one pin. But if there are many pins, what we have to do? We have to add S. So the spelling will be P-I-N-S, pins. P-I-N-S, pins. Pin, pins. Pin, pins. Okay. Pin, pins. Now bat. See number 2. B-A-T, bat. If there is only one bat, so B-A-T. But if there are more than one, means if there are many bats, then what you have to write here? B-A-T, you have to add S. Remember, to show many, you have to add S. Add S. Bats. B-A-T-S. Bats. Bat. Bats. Number 3. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Yes, you are combing your hair with a comb, no? Yes, that comb. C-O-M-B, comb. If there is only one comb, then the spelling will be comb. But if there are many combs, we have to add S to this word. Understood? You all are knowing this. See what will be the spelling now? C-O-M-B-S, combs. C-O-M-B-S, combs. Comb, combs. Number 4, table. See here, T-A-B-L-E, table. Only one table is there, then the answer. Then we will call table. But if there are many tables, see what we have to do? Add S. We have to add S to show many tables. Okay? T-A-B-L-E, table. Tables. What will be the spelling? T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. Table, tables. Table, tables. Number 5 is toy. T-O-Y, toy. Number 5 is toy. T-O-Y, toy. So what will be the year? To show many. Do you remember to show many? Toy, you have to add S. Yes, you are remembering. What you have to do? Add S. So the word will be toys. T-O-Y-S, toys. Many toys. Okay, children? Now we will read this. See? Again we will read. Add S to show many. Number 1 is pin. It is pins. P-I-N-S, pins. Number 2 is bat, bats. Bat, bats. Comb, combs. Comb, combs. Table, tables. Table, tables. Toy, toys. Toy, toys. Add S to show many. Okay, again. Pin, P-I-N-S, pins. Bat, B-A-T-S, bats. Comb, C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B-S, combs. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y-S, toys. Understood? You all have understood this. You have to add S. Okay, children? To show many. Very good. So now, see here, very, very easy. Tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. See, we are words. First you have to see the picture. Huh? See the picture. 1, 2, 3 bottles are there. So it is one or many. So what will come? It is bottle or bottles. See here, there is no S. And there is S here. Many bottles are there, no? So which word will come? Bottle, bottles. 1, many. 1 bottle, 3 bottles. So which is correct one? Bottles. Bottle, bottles. See here, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. B-O-T-T-L-E-S, bottles. So what will be the answer here? Can you know this? Bottle, bottles. 1 bottle, 3 bottles. So where we have to tick the correct word? Which is the correct word for this picture? Yes, bottles. So here I will tick. We have to put tick mark here. Why? There are 3 bottles, no? So spelling will be bottles. S is added here. B-O-T-T-L-E-S, bottles. So here we have to tick mark. Understood, children? Yes. Now see. Tick the correct word. Here also there is correct word. Now see here. Flags. Can you see the picture of flag? There is only one flag. Yes, national flag. Flags. Here is S. So there are many flags. No. Are there many flags? No. So F-L-A-G-S means many. S is there. S is added. Many flags. More than one flags. And this is only one flag. Here there is no S. One flag. So flag. Which word is correct? Where we have to put tick mark? Flags or flag? Can you answer? You have to tick the correct word. Tick correct word. Can you answer this? Yes, flags or flag. So, it will be flag. There is only one flag. So, flag. Here you have to put tick mark. Flag. Okay, children? Are you understanding? Flags. Flag. Here you have to put tick mark. There is only one flag. There are not many flags. Okay? Are you understanding? Okay, children? Yes. Now see, tick the correct word. Here also they have to only tick correct word. See, first you see the picture. How many dolls are there? Beautiful, beautiful dolls are there. Blue color, then orange color hair, then yellow color hair. All these dolls, see, there are how many dolls? 1, 2 and 3. 3 dolls are there. But here, doll, D-O-L, D-O-double-L, doll. You have to tick correct word. Huh? Remember this. Tick the correct word. So it is doll or dolls. What will come? Where we have to tick? Dolls means many dolls, more than one dolls. Doll means only one doll. Okay? Doll, only one doll. D-O-double-L. D-O-double-L-S. Dolls. So, can you tick this? Can you answer? Where I have to tick? Put tick mark. Doll or dolls? Yes. You all are right now. We have to put tick mark in dolls. There are many dolls, not only one doll. 1, 2, 3 dolls are there. So, dolls, S is there, no? In the word to show many. We have learnt in this lecture, one many. So, doll is only one doll. Dolls, there are 3 dolls. So, tick dolls. Okay, children? Yes, you all are knowing. You all are working hard. You are all understanding, no? Okay? So, see, doll, dolls. D-O-double-L, doll. D-O-double-L-S, dolls. So, there are many dolls. Okay, children? Yes. Now, see. Tick the correct word. Again, this we have to do. We have to tick correct word. See, there is a black hat. You know who wears this hat, this type of hat? Yes. A magician wears this type of hat to show magic. Okay? Do you know magician? Yes. They wear this type of hat, no? But see here, there is only one hat. So, H-A-T, hat. And there is H-A-T-S, hats. So, which will be the correct word? This is one hat. This is hats. Many hats. So, it will be this. H-A-T-S, many hats. Okay? It will be hat or hats. There is only one hat. So, the answer will be hat. H-A-T, hat. So, where we have to put tick? Here. H-A-T, hat. There is only one hat, no? So, we have to put hat. Tick mark in the hat. Understood? See what you have to do? Tick mark. Hat. Only one hat. So, we are putting a tick mark. Hats. So, there are many hats, but in the picture there are not many hats. There is only one hat. So, you have to put your tick mark. Okay, children? This is hat. This is hats. H-A-T-S, hats. One hat, many hats. One hat, many hats. Okay, children? Now I think you all have understood this. One, many. Okay? So, you are writing, you are doing your work. I think you have done exercise 8, lesson number 8, exercise 1 in your rough book, in your homework book. Okay, one time you have done, no? So, again, if you will revise this all, no? Then you will be able to understand it and give me answer also. Okay, children? So, do your homework. be safe at home and write with good handwriting whatever homework is given to you. Okay, children? So, take care of yourself and thank you.